Alright, I'm starting off the video a little late. This was random. I'm gonna drive down 40 minutes down to my friend's place to pick up some welds that he's borrowing from my other friend Diaz. I've been wanting some for so long, so I want to see what they look like on the Z and how the fitment is. I've never seen my car on any drag setup, so I'm excited. Just a beautiful day down PCH in the red Ferrari. Alright, we just picked up the wheels. Not sure if you guys can see, probably not because it's super dark, but I'll see you guys when I get home in the garage, and then we'll probably throw these things on right now, if not in the morning. That way we can see what it looks like in the daytime. Alright, let's throw these wheels on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up first, put some tire shine, just make them look really nice, and then throw them on. This is probably gonna be like my favorite setup. I'm gonna air up the car just in case, that way it doesn't rub when I put it back down. Jesus, these things are freaking huge. Oh my god. So look at these things. It's like a cup. Oh my god. This is so perfect. I can already tell it's gonna tuck in perfect, like right here. Depending what I want the ride height to be. Air up. Alright, let's see how much it tucks. That is so perfect. Jesus, it literally covers the whole wheel well. There's about an inch by the bumper and then by the quarter panel on this side. Alright, you ready for this? Look at this fitment. Oh my god. Dude, that yellow caliper looks so good in the back too. Alright, let's see what they look like outside. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my god. That thing is tucking. Dude, look at that fitment. I think I'm gonna air up just a little bit more, just so you can see more tire, so it's not tucked in all the way and hiding. I'm so excited that I'm gonna call my girlfriend to come outside so she can see it, to give me her opinion. I don't think she's ever really seen a car with wheels like this, so let's see what she thinks of it. What do you think? Honestly, your honest opinion.
I like it. It looks a lot different. I've never seen tires like this, that's why. So I don't know, are they supposed to be, is that good?
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Oh.
She said it reminds her of the Supras we saw at Cars and Coffee. I am in love though. It literally changed the whole look of the car just by changing two wheels in the back. I already know which ones I'm getting for the front. Oh, they're gonna look so good. I can't wait. Either people are looking at me weird because I don't have a hood, because I have the GoPro in my mouth while driving, or because these fat ass tires in the back. I think it's the no hood though. Just want to find a nice little location where I don't have to go on the main street, because I'm not supposed to be driving my car right now, as you guys know, because of the state ref, and I have no hood, so it's sketchy. But I'm behind my neighborhood in the back, so should be chill. I wish I would have cleaned that wheel so it looks shiny like this one, but it's all good. Car's been sitting in the garage. It's a little dusty right now. And this is from Diaz. Also, shout out to Diaz. Thank you so much for letting me try on your welds. I don't know anyone else that would just give their friend their welds for a couple days or a week or something. So I'll tag his Instagram right here so you guys can go check him out. He has a top mount single turbo kit, super clean. You should see the welds on his car too. They look so good. Look how close that is. I love it though, because it covers the whole wheel well, because the wheel well is so big. So it just looks so good like that. Ooh, the way the sun's hitting, it looks good. I love this color. It looks so good in different lighting. Like when the sun's hitting right now, you can see like the blue flakes in there, or like you can see the metallic flakes in there. Dude, but just look at that. I'm getting wheels for the front too. They're just as expensive as the welds. Not sure when I'm gonna get the fronts yet, but I am gonna order the welds, I think this week, if not next week. They're gonna be the exact same specs. And please don't ask me for the specs of these wheels. These are not mine. These are Diaz's wheels. It's just like, it takes so long to find out a certain spec for a wheel, to find out if it fits, if it clears the caliper. He's running Acabonos, so it's a lot closer, but with these 350Z Brembos, the clearance, there's a lot of clearance still. But with his Acabonos, they're a bit bigger. So it's like super tight, but so perfect. He has photos on his profile. You guys can look at it. I have a few people on Instagram already asking me for the specs, and I'm sorry, it's not my wheels. And you know, he told me not to tell anyone, and well, I can't. But I am gonna get the same exact specs as him. So once I get those wheels, I also cannot give out the specs because it's the exact same specs he has. But yeah, the wheels I'm getting for the front, it's gonna be completely different than these wheels, because these are like black chrome and shiny and everything. And then the new wheels are gonna be completely different. The reason why I'm getting those two is because no one's running those wheels with welds. I haven't seen a San Marino Blue Z with welds yet, like these welds. I only know of two others with a draggy setup with a San Marino Blue Z, and that's the homie Julio, fat ass tires, and then someone from another state, I think Texas or something like that, and he takes us to the drag strip. But I haven't seen another San Marino Blue with these exact same wheels, so I'm stoked on that. And then the wheels that I'm getting for the front, no one's running that setup with welds in the rear either. So I don't know, I want to be different. I don't want to get the same wheels as everyone else. Just want to, you know, want to stand out in my own way. But first I'm gonna have to order these, and then I'm gonna have to order the wheels later on, because right now I'm in the middle of ordering a bunch of other stuff for the car. I just ordered those parts like 2 days ago, and they're coming in tomorrow and then Friday. So have those in, and you guys will see on the next video what it is. Nothing crazy, but something that's definitely gonna come in handy, and something that's gonna finally fix the interior. The reason why I don't have my hood, I sold it. I posted it on Instagram, literally sold in like 15 minutes. Dude came out from Sacramento, super nice. Drove 7 hours down here, picked up the hood. I gave him a ride in the Z around the block right here. I want everyone to experience it that doesn't have a boosted Z, because it's something I would have wanted to experience before my Z was boosted. I would have loved to get a ride with someone in their boosted Z. I think I'm gonna get another hood, a different style, but that hood's not going to be in stock for a while now. Like, I need a hood because there's like a couple of shows coming up that I want to attend, and I want to drive my Z, and I have to do a couple things to it. In order to do it, I have to drive out of town to the shop. I have tires coming in tomorrow that I ordered, but look at that. It sucks that I don't have a hood because I can't go like cruise around, drive around, or like do some pulls on these tires, see how they feel. Because Diaz told me, I was like, dude, I'm not even gonna put miles on them, like probably like 10 miles max, drive around the neighborhood, go take pictures, and that's about it. But he's like, nah, go race people. I want to see how you like them. It takes about like 2 to 3 months to get these wheels in, so I'm gonna order them this week, but we'll see when they get here. But once they do, by that time I'll be able to get the ones from the front too. I don't know, what is that? That's a Z, look at them. I see you, bro. Oh, that sounds like a Tomei. Oh, he's got that tune. That's dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how these welds look on my car. And if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe down below if you guys want to see more Z content. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and then also let me know what you guys think about the welds. I'd like to hear your guys' opinions. But I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.